Good evening, everyone. Today we are talking about real life and real life.
Many of the people have talked about just what is the difference between real life and real life. So I just wanted to give a point that real life is nothing but the human-made script, and real life is nothing but the script written by our God. So that is the main difference among the real life and real life, I think so.
In real life, we just show off. And
Okay.
in real life, we get "Arey yaar,
Adventures.
what is this thing?
Yeah.
Why I am living?
I think he is going to talk about real life is nothing but to become a celebrity kind of personality, and real life is nothing but having so many adventures in our life, in our day-to-day life. We have to face the adventures, whether it is our success, whether it is our failure. So that kind of thing is in our real life, I think.
Yeah, real life is very fast changeable, but that is not possible in our real life.
If you want to become the celebrity kind of personality in real life, you just wanted to work accordingly the script written by the producer of the director. Greatest personality in your life, in the real life, you just want to become the philanthropist first of all. You just want to work accordingly the script written by our God.
Real life is having fun and real life is adventure.
If you want to become the celebrity, you just focus on your acting. Okay, you just want to focus on your emotions. Just suppose that I'm so sad from inside, but script having the demand of showing the emotions of love, so I have to work accordingly script. But in our day-to-day life, means in our real life is nothing but the reality. It consists of love, it consists of anger, emotions. Okay, so I think this is the main difference between real life and real life. Real life is nothing but the fake relationship. Okay, within a second there is a girl, she would make our girlfriend, after some time she would make our wife, and after some time this character will be risen and that character will be dying. So this is all about the real life, and in our real life, if anybody got hurted by us, it is not possible to convince as early as possible. So in our real life, we have to work as per the other people's emotion. So I think real life is too difficult than real life.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of stage? Due to this, losing big career opportunities? Then we are here for you. Oxbridge Spoken English Academy. Feel the fluent speaking, basic grammar, spoken English, stage courage, personality development. Then hurry up. What are you waiting for? Oxbridge, your search for spoken English training ends here.